Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn a second type of a tray setup, and this particular tray setup is related to the Indian breakfast. And here we are going to learn the tray setup for puri bhaji. So the room service tray is lying in front of you, and as usual, first of all, we need to cover this particular tray by using the waiter's cloth. Here in our training restaurants, we are not having the waiter's cloth. So in place of that, we would be using two serviettes. But make one thing very much clear, like in hotel industry, you will not have to use the serviette. Serviette is in French term for napkin, and napkin is supposed to be used for guests only. The guest is supposed to use the serviette, not any server or the waiters. So just now, as I told you, we are not having the waiter's cloth. So in place of that, we have been replacing it by using two serviettes. But in practical situations, while you will be working in the hotels, you will not have to use the serviettes. So today's setup is related to the puri bhaji only. So for puri bhaji, as usual, we'll have to keep the side plate left hand side of the cover. On the top of the side plate, we'll have to give one serviette where you will be using the book fold. In any a la carte order, generally the two pieces of an puri is supposed to be served on full plate. So here we are keeping the full plate, assuming as if we have been serving two pieces of an puri to the guest. In order to have the bhaji or in order to have the puri, we are going to provide the cutlery to the guest, and here the basic cutlery that we are providing to the guest is AP spoon and AP fork. AP spoon on the right hand side of the full plate, which here we are assuming as if it has been carrying the puri, and AP fork on the left hand side of the full plate. As we are giving the puri, so it has to be covered by using the plate cover. The standard or the basic accompaniments for any puri will be the bhaji and the mixed pickle. So in order to serve the mixed pickle, we are providing the saucer as an underliner, doily paper, monkey dish on which would be serving the mixed pickle, and teaspoon. For bhaji, we are providing side plate as underliner, again doily paper, and bhaji in soup bowl. The service gears or the service spoon, in order to have the bhaji, will have to keep it at the head of the cover. And on the top of it, we'll have to place the cruet set. And in between the cruet set, as usual, we'll have to keep the bon appetit cards. we'll have to write in French bon appetit, and we'll have to place it in between the quotes. So now our setup for the puri bhaji is done. The same kind of a setup is supposed to be used for serving any kind of a stuffed paratha. Like if any aloo paratha will be there, any gobi paratha will be there, maybe even any sort of a plain paratha will be there. For that also we'll have to lay down the same type of a cover. For serving any stuffed paratha like aloo paratha, the basic accompaniments will be curd. So 2 pieces of an paratha we are going to serve in full plate, and that has to be covered by using the plate cover. In order to have the paratha, the basic cutlery that we will provide to the guest is AP spoon. There is one more thing, that is AP knife and AP fork. Side plate with book fold serviette will be there on the left hand side of the cover. This particular soup bowl with doily paper and side plate as underliner we are going to provide in order to serve the curd. In order to have the curd, here we are giving the service spoon that is supposed to be placed on the head of the cover. Again, thread set and having the bon appetit card in between. This particular monkey dish we have been providing in order to serve the mixed pickle. So now our stuffed paratha setup is ready. The basic difference between the puri bhaji and the stuffed paratha setup will be, in case of a stuffed paratha, we'll have to provide one extra AP knife. The rest of the whole setup will remain the same. So in case of puri bhaji, we are using the soup bowl in order to serve the bhaji, and we are using the pickle. We are using the monkey dish, and that particular monkey dish is supposed to be used in order to serve the pickle. Moving to the stuffed paratha, the same soup bowl we are going to be using in order to serve the curd, and again the same monkey dish we are going to use in order to serve the mixed pickle. The basic difference between both the setup is, in case of the stuffed paratha, we will have to provide one extra cutlery to the guest, that will be our AP knife.